Selling a cleaning service must be easy because everyone wants a cleaner these days, right? But once you begin, it might seem impossible to stand out among hundreds of similar businesses with the same offerings and services. So, how do you set yourself apart? Cleaning marketing is not just about selling your service, but about selling an experience. Your clients will not trust your employees to enter their private homes and office spaces unless you go out of your way to build that trust with them. If your employees cannot connect with your clients, they will forever remain strangers, and strangers are replaceable. As a cleaning service provider, your primary goal is to understand customer needs and provide for them. Your cleaning business marketing plan message must reflect that your business will alter its offerings according to customer requirements. You're not going to clean a two-bedroom apartment and a high-rise office space the same way, so you shouldn't market your services to the two kinds of clients the same way either. Understanding how to promote your cleaning business needs careful planning and lots of experimentation. Every promotion strategy is not meant for your cleaning business, and you can eliminate steps that don't work for your brand or marketing budget. Before investing in any promotional or marketing tool, you should define your brand, target audience, and marketing channels, which will help you decide the best way to reach your clients. While this might seem like an overwhelming task with too many variables to consider, having a comprehensive guide to walk you through this process will help, and that is what we are here to provide. Throughout this video, we will guide you through all the background work necessary to build a marketing strategy and 10 ways in which you can implement the same. Define your service. We know this sounds like a section in a boring marketing manual, but we promise understanding these concepts is worth it. There's a good chance you have already used some of these tools while setting up your cleaning business. The 7 P's of the service marketing mix are tools that let you create a holistic set of clean business marketing ideas instead of fixating on one aspect of your business. Product. Your cleaning service is intangible and personalizable. Make sure to consider your clients' needs when providing them with any cleaning. Take note of your clients' concerns well in advance. For example, it can be heavily unprofessional if your client is allergic to certain cleaning products and your employees didn't account for that before arriving at the location. Also, if there are any instructions you need to give to the client before the cleaning job begins, do it at least 24 hours before the appointment. Let's assume some of your products are not safe for children, and they shouldn't be in the same space when your employees are cleaning. It's your responsibility to inform your client of such caveats. However, every customization will cost your employees time and your business money. Survey the space that needs to be cleaned, especially for commercial jobs, before committing to any changes to your offerings. If you cannot customize certain services, explain that to your client. Price. Price is important when considering how to market a cleaning business. It's recommended to keep your competitors' prices in mind, but you must always price based on the value of your service. Pricing your business too low for the sake of affordability is not sustainable. Do a cost analysis to understand your cost per cleaning per hour, especially if you run a commercial cleaning service. On calculating your base price and profit, you'll find the lower limit for setting your price. You could also try bundling your services for a lower price. For example, you could offer a free window cleaning service for every third cleaning job. Place. Choose where you offer your services carefully based on your target audience and your transportation budget. Once you understand your target market, you can isolate which areas are ideal for you to provide your services. If the paying capacity of your clients is high in the suburbs, they might be willing to book you for weekly or bi-weekly cleanings. If your cleaning target market is commercial clients, offer your services in urban spaces. Promotion. As we will see later, the channels you use to market your service and promote it to your audience rely on the type of audience, your marketing budget, and other factors. To help you, we have compiled a comprehensive list of cleaning service promotion ideas from which you can choose what is best for your business. People. You cannot separate your service from the people delivering it. Your business is only as good as the employees cleaning any home or commercial space. Your cleaning company marketing strategy is rooted in your company policy, and how you form this policy will affect how your clients will perceive you. This context will help you to keep the following points in mind. Create a good first impression. Your employees uphold the reputation of your brand. It is highly recommended that all your cleaning employees follow a certain dress code. Giving your workforce branded t-shirts to wear on the jobs is a great way to ensure that every employee is an extension of your business brand. Be consistent. Your employees need to deliver on the promised quality of service every time they go to clean a home or commercial space. Maintaining consistency will improve your chances of getting referrals and earn you loyal clients. If you prefer not to set a strict dress code, you could always offer guidelines for your employees to follow. For example, you can restrict the type of jewelry your employees wear to work. Set rules and guidelines. Set clear boundaries that your employees need to respect while they're working a job. You can have policies to limit cursing or taking calls on a shift. Ensure that your employees address your clients with their preferred pronouns and use gender-neutral pronouns if they're unsure. Your employees will deliver the experience that your business has promised your customers. Train your workforce in company policy and equip them with answers to customers' questions. Treat your employees as equals and take their feedback and insights because they are the people working with your clients. Process. A service business may offer a customizable product, but there has to be a clear understanding of the process every time a client is serviced. For example, an effective process for your cleaning business employee might be as follows. Schedule the appointment well in advance. Do inventory management the night before the appointment. Show up 10 minutes early to set up. Confirm details of services and products with the client. Follow a simple script to greet the customer and make them comfortable. Run a checklist of all the cleanings to be done and estimate the time for the same. Finish the shift on time. Thank the client. Take feedback. Move to the next appointment. Physical evidence. Every tangible object used by your employees in servicing the client becomes a part of physical evidence. It might help the client decide whether they want to take your company on for repeat sessions or not. If the cleaning products are eco-friendly, that might be a differentiating factor in your physical evidence. Marketing for a small cleaning business involves attention to detail, and physical evidence is part of it. Now that we have a handle on our marketing mix, we can go forward and pay more attention to branding our cleaning business. Brand your business. A good part of what we have discussed in the previous section contributes to branding. Training a responsible, consistent workforce and being accountable for your clients' needs form the foundations of your brand. That said, there are more tangible aspects to branding that need discussion. Decide a company name and logo. If your cleaning business doesn't already have a logo, you need to design one with immediate effect. Have you ever noticed how most cleaning companies gravitate to blue and green themes while designing their logos? That is not just a coincidence. Cool colors like blue and green reflect health, balance, and security, all qualities your cleaning business should embody. They also evoke a sense of purity and cleanliness. If you haven't already designed your brand's logo, use these colors in building your brand theme. Ensure you're creating iterations of your existing logo with cool colors. Your company name should be easy to recognize and remember. If your name is longer, consider acronymizing it. A shorter, catchier name will stick with people. Be consistent with your color themes, logo, and company name with all your marketing material. Your cleaning promotion ideas need to draw inspiration from your company's theme and design. Your website, social media pages, merchandise, flyers, and email templates need to remain consistent. Make sure that your brand is immediately recognizable by your colors, fonts, etc. Consider using vehicle wraps and branded dustbins. Vehicle wraps are a way to brand the company's logo and information on the vehicle. Vehicle wraps can have information like the company logo, name, phone number, address, and a call to action, if necessary. They are a great way to grab attention from the user with a good ROI, return on investment, considering that a vehicle might get anywhere between 35 to 70 views in a day. Graphics have a higher recall rate and can stick with dragging passengers if designed well. The cost per view is negligible, and your wrap will be seen by potential clients in the areas where you specifically provide your services. As part of a marketing plan for a commercial cleaning business, consider using branded dustbins as another form of letting your clientele recognize your brand name and logo. Know your audience. You might sell the same set of cleaning services to everyone, but there are different reasons why your customers would want to buy it. To convince different customer segments that your cleaning business is the best, you need to identify these reasons. If Sarah is an individual of age 45 and is cautious with spending, convince them of the long-term benefits of hiring a commercial cleaning service. If Mikhail is a customer managing a long chain of stores, highlight how hiring your business can help Mikhail manage time effectively. Differentiate house cleaning marketing from commercial cleaning marketing. Your company might offer commercial and residential cleaning services, or only one of the two. Your cleaning services marketing plan is largely different when it's targeted to one specific type of client. For example, you might adopt a slightly more informal tone in your residential cleaning marketing material than in your commercial service pitch. The former is about sending a message of trust and friendliness, while the latter leans towards efficiency and professionalism. Every potential customer is not your customer. If your business tries to service every type of client, you're stretching yourself too thin. While it may not seem like there are many niches in the cleaning market, you can find the exact type of customer your cleaning service can serve best. Does your cleaning business work with government offices, corporate offices, schools? Do you service residents living in the city? Or do you primarily work in the suburbs? Find the type of client that will sustain your business and bring you profit. Tailor your cleaning marketing material to fit your niche in the market.